throwing a party and you don't have any drinks? Not to worry. We're going to show you how to make a fun, easy drink for all your guests in under 5 minutes. Okay, so first we're going to start by washing our hands and all of the utensils in that we're going to be using. Okay, now we're gonna start adding our ingredients. So you're gonna need a measuring cup for 1 cup. You're gonna need a pitcher for your drink. You're gonna need some maraschino cherries, some pineapple juice, some orange juice,
The exclusive.
and some lime juice. Okay, so we're gonna start by adding 10 cups of our orange juice.
And we're back, and we're gonna be adding is it 5 cups.
Yes.
We're gonna be adding 5 cups of the real lime, the 100% lime juice you heard with the fancy.
And I'm gonna. I already told her. She's doing it.
That's a lot of cups as you should. It's gonna be extra tempting.
Okay, now we're gonna add
What is PJ? Oh,
5 cups of pineapple juice.
pineapple, apple pen.
I got a pen. I got a pineapple.
Apple.
I got an apple.
Now it's time for the fun part. Okay, we get to add in our cherries.
Yum!
Okay,
Yes, girl.
And I'm gonna be tasting
but
it.
first we're going to stir our wonderful drink that we have
We have a
here.
bigger one.
So now you're gonna need a big spoon.
That's a soup.
Big spoon, and just stir
What
it.
a pineapple shit, bro.
I'll drink it all.
Stir it really, really well.
Is this from there? What? Rainbow? This.
Better put it back into stirring that.
Okay, now it's time to
I
add
know.
our cherries. And depending on how many people you have, you can either add your cherries beforehand or you can add it as you're doing the individual cups. But we're just going to put all of ours in one time. And we're going to need 30 cherries because remember, we're doing 30 servings.
Everybody's picture.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. now, the main drink is done. But when it comes to serving our drink, we're gonna get a little fancier.
You know how. I can't be in camp.
We're gonna get a little fancier, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take an orange, okay? And like I said, depending on how many people you're serving for, that's how many slices of an orange you're gonna need. So this is where safety really comes into place. Okay, so now we're gonna get a nice knife. Please be careful with the knife. And all you're gonna do. You have something to say?
And if you have children nearby, you may want them to be careful.
Which she said. Okay, so we're just gonna take our knife and our orange, and we're just gonna cut it in half. And be very careful with this. This knife is very dull. I'm gonna cut it.
I know the password.
Okay. So now it is time for our presentation. Right now, you're gonna just get a nice glass, okay, or cups if you're throwing a party, and you're just gonna pour in your drink. Pour in your drink, and then. Just because we let all our cherries drop to the bottom, we're just gonna grab one or two. And we're just gonna sit it in there, like so. Okay. So, now we're gonna get a toothpick.
Toothpick.
And you're gonna take the toothpick and you're just gonna stick it through, and you're gonna yeah.
This is supposed to be 5 minutes, that's 13 minutes.
Yes. You're gonna get a cherry.
Oh no, what are we doing
I'm
here?
giving her another chair. She does not deserve it.
Excuse me. I'm the judge here.
We're gonna get a cherry and we're gonna get our orange. And we're just gonna put the toothpick through the orange as well as through the cherry.
No pineapple slices?
And then we're just gonna put it across and let the orange just sit on there like so.
The presentation.
And then we have a hurricane. Okay. And so now, China, you have to take it. So now I get to enjoy this because I just made it. So peace out, guys.
Bye. Should I stop the camera?
That's refreshing.
Let me try.